Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. How Tricks. Today we're going to answer how to make a super easy and delicious one-pan pasta. We're talking one-pan pasta, my friends, the answer to your busy weeknight prayers. This recipe is perfect for those evenings when you're short on time but craving a delicious and satisfying meal. Forget about mountains of pots and pans. This recipe requires just one. That's right, less washing up, more time for enjoying your culinary masterpiece. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our culinary army. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta. I'm using penne today. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, no tears please, 2 cloves garlic minced, the more garlic the merrier. 4 cups vegetable broth, chicken broth works too, 1 cup chopped tomatoes, fresh or canned, your choice, 2 cups fresh spinach, and 1/2 cup basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste, be generous, and grated Parmesan cheese for that cheesy goodness. See? Simple, everyday ingredients that combine to create a symphony of flavors. Now, for the fun part. Cooking. Grab your trusty pan and let's get started. Pour the olive oil into your pan and heat it over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for a few minutes until it's softened and slightly golden. Toss in the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Your kitchen should be smelling amazing by now. Add the pasta, broth, chopped tomatoes, basil, spinach, salt, and pepper to the pan. Give everything a good stir and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer, cover the pan, and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the pasta is cooked through and most of the liquid has been absorbed. And that's it! Your one-pan pasta masterpiece is ready to be devoured. The best part? You only used 1 pan, so cleanup is a breeze. Just a quick wash, and you're good to go. This one-pan pasta is a true game-changer. It's quick, easy, delicious, and leaves you with minimal cleanup. Give it a try, and let me know what you think. Don't forget, subscribe to Mr. How Tricks for all answers to your hows.